Good morning, students. I am Prahasini Padhi, TNH Buddhikumna. Last class, I have taught you about the parts of a sentence, what is a sentence and its two parts, subject and predicate. Today, I will teach you about the parts of speech of a sentence. Thank you for online classes to the DEO and his team, Nuapada, that I have got such a unique platform to teach you on online class. Students, now start our class. Sentence, the parts of speech. The parts of speech. The parts of speech of a sentence. Human being has human body. It has so many parts like nose, eye, ear, lips, chin, cheek, etc. Without eye, no human body. Without leg, no human body is completed. Likewise, a sentence has also separate parts which complete the sense of the sentence. The parts of speech. The first one is noun. The second one is pronoun. The third one is adjective. The fourth one is verb. The fifth one is adverb. The sixth one is preposition. The seventh one is conjunction. And the last one is interjection. So the students, there are different type of parts of speech of a sentence. The first one is noun. Now, I will teach you about noun. What is a noun? What is a noun? Or what do you mean by a noun? Noun means, in Oriya, जदि आमे ओरिया रे कहिबा, noun होछि एक विशेष्य पद. कौनसी पद जिए कि वस्तु, नाम, व्यक्ति, स्थान, विभिन्न गुण को बुझाई थाए ताहाको आमे विशेष्य पद बोली ओडिया रे कहि थाउ. ठीक सेही परी आमे इंग्रजी रे जदि कहिबा, नाउन इज ए वर्ड. नाउन इज ए वर्ड which is used as the name of persons, things, animals, objects, so students, noun विषय रे तुमे जानलो जे noun काहाकू कहा जाय. Noun is a word which is used as the name of person, things, animals, objects, etc. I want to give you some example. Ashok is a boy. I have taught you about the subject in your last class. Subject means the head word of the sentence, which takes the place of noun. So, in this sentence, Ashok is the noun. I can give you so many examples of noun. What you have seen in your classroom: fan, cart, chair, table, window, etc. Anything. All things, all name, all objects, whatever you see inside the classroom or anywhere, that must be a noun word, and you know it. Rita is a girl. I give simple to simple sentence for you. Rita is the noun. So, I don't want to describe noun in vividly, because I will teach you all the 8 parts. So, you have better understand noun by giving these 2 examples. So many examples are there. Teacher teaches us. Teacher is the noun. Roman played football. Roman is the noun. Puri is a beautiful place. Puri is the noun. River Ganga flows. Ganga is the noun. So, I come to the next point, pronoun. Students, the second parts of speech is the pronoun. 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 Pro. This is 2 words. Pronoun. Pro means instead of. Instead of. The word which is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. यार ओडिया अर्थ हेउछि सर्वनाम. The word which is used instead of a noun is the pronoun. ओडिया रे जदि कहिबा प्रोनाउन कहिले कौन ताहले जेउ शब्दटी नाउन बदलरे बा विशेष्य पद बदलरे व्यवहार करा जाए ताकू सर्वनाम बोली कहा जाए. The pronoun, the word which is used instead of a noun is pronoun. याकू जदि आमे ओडिया रे कहिबा ताहले जेउ शब्दटी नाउन बदलरे बा विशेष्य बदलरे व्यवहार करा जाए ताकू आमे सर्वनाम बोली कहि थाउ. The pronoun is divided into 3 parts. We can divide it. He is used for male, she is used for female, and it is used for object. In this way, we can use pronoun in the sentences. He. For example, Dasharatha was the king of Ajodhya. He loved his eldest son Ram. Dasharatha. In the first parts of speech, noun. I have told the head word of the sentence is the noun. So Dasharatha is the noun. instead of Dasharatha we used he. So he is the pronoun. Dasharatha was the king of Ajodhya. He loved his son Ram. Here Dasharatha is the noun. Instead of noun Dasharatha we omit Dasharatha. Instead of Dasharatha we used or write yes he. He loved his son Ram. He means whom? It is used for male person. Male person. So Dasharatha is the male person and we omit Dasharatha and use he. Then we come to the second point. C. Mrs. Padhi taught you grammar. She taught you grammar. She taught you grammar. The same thing is happened here. Mrs. Padhi is the noun and instead of noun we use she. पिला माने नंबर थर्ड eat. The rain is running. The rain is raining. It is raining. The rain, noun, we can use instead of rain it. तेणु पिला माने वर्तमान तुम्हें सर्वनाम मध्य जानिल तापरे आमे आसीबा 3 नंबर पॉइंट के. I will teach you about the third point of parts of speech, that is adjective. Adjective. An adjective is a word which describes the noun. ओडिया रे जदि आकु कहिबा ताहले कोनोसी पद जिए कि विशेष्य पद को विशेषित करि थाए ताकु आमे विशेषण बोली कहि थाउ. एडजेक्टिव रो ओडिया होछि विशेषण. द वर्ड which describe the noun is called an adjective. ताहले एमिति को पद अछि जे कि विशेष्य को विशेषित करि थाए बा नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करि थाए विभिन्न आकार रे. टाइम, क्वालिटी, कलर, गुण. फॉर एग्जांपल राम इज ए क्लेवर बॉय. रोहन इज द बेस्ट सिंगर. Ram is a clever boy. Rohan is the best singer. Mr. Dubey is the best teacher of English. This is the red house. He has a blue pen. Now students, I have written 5 sentences. The first one, Ram is a clever boy. Boy is the noun and the word clever describes the noun boy. So clever is an adjective. Likewise, in the second sentence, the best is an adjective. In the third sentence, the best is also an adjective. In the fourth sentence, red is an adjective, and in the fifth sentence, blue is an adjective. In this way, we must speak so many examples of adjective. Then we come to the fourth point. The fourth number point of the parts of speech is the verb. Verb. Verb होची क्रिया. Verb is a doing word or an action word. It has a sense or it has a tense. The word which complete the tense or sense of the sentence is called verb. In other words, verb is a doing word. ଯେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ସମାପନ କରେ ତାକୁ କ୍ରିୟା ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କ୍ରିୟା, I will teach you separate chapter what is verb and it has so many parts, etc., etc. Now I will give 1 or 2 examples of verbs. This is Pani teaches you grammar. Soumya is a teacher. The sun rises in the east. These are the sentences of verbs. Now, Mrs. Pani, this is the noun. Teaches is the verb. Soumya is the noun. Is the verb. The sun is the noun. Rises is the verb. So, student, now I will finish my teaching of today. That is the parts of speech, and among the parts of speech I will tell you about 4 parts. I will make a PDF file for you, and that PDF file will totally a worksheet for you. Please go through the PDF file and follow the question. Thank you. In the PDF file, there are 4 activities for you. The first one is for noun, the second one is for pronoun, the third one is for adjective, and the fourth one is for verb. Thank you.